welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea and I have another video for you guys. Today I want to talk about Bitcoin, take a look at crypto.com CRO because it is some sideways price action, but I want to give you guys my opinion on where I think we could be headed here. So let's hop in this video. Right now Bitcoin is trading at $42,000, just barely above it, down about a half a percent on the day, down 0.58%. Bitcoin dominance trading at 51.64%. Also coming down, people are taking some profits. It is getting closer to the end of the year. A lot of Wall Street is done for the year. They're on vacation. It is also weekend price action. Everyone's kind of stepping away, pulled back. So not much is happening right now, but I will say that there are people taking profits. It is noticeable, but in reality, it's still consolidation. Let's take a look over at Bitcoin right now because Bitcoin still, guys, over on the weekly is testing that $45,000 price level that I want to keep a close eye on. If we can break above 44K, we'll probably break above 45,000 and get some daily candle closes above that. But I am leaning more and more into the idea here that we'll probably be consolidating at this price level up until the end of the year, which is relatively soon. I mean, we're talking, 13 days away, and with the holiday time, there may be some excitement. We may get another breakout when everybody's home, off work. Maybe not the big Wall Street guys will be trading around, but maybe the retail will start to take a liking to the crypto space, especially with all of the exciting meme coins flying, all of the exciting price action. You know, I do want to also say and note that the majority of retail is not here yet. This is not like how it was in the previous year, or the previous cycle, excuse me, where we had this mass hype. We're far from it, guys. This is still the beginning of the bull market. This is the pre-halving year. Yes, I do think in my mind that we could break to closer to 50,000 before January, but I do also want to say that I think it's possible that I know this can sound crazy, but I do think that it's possible that we do test previous all-time highs before the halving, which isn't really in February. It's looking like it's going to be a little bit closer to April, which is about here, which is, I mean, it's not that big of a difference, a couple months, but I do think that it's possible. I do think it's on the table. But before that, I also think that we probably need a little bit of consolidation to the downside, unless come January we finally get that approval on those Bitcoin spot ETFs. It's pretty interesting that people have kind of stopped talking about it because they're so caught up in all these meme coins flying, all these altcoins flying. But guys, if that Bitcoin spot ETF gets approved for BlackRock, it probably will be approved for many other institutions as well. And when that does happen, that could cause some very, very big fireworks. Maybe we don't get that capitulation to the downside before the halving like we've had in the previous years. Maybe we don't. A lot of the big capitulations were, well, I mean, this was a black swan event. Maybe if we didn't have that black swan event, maybe we wouldn't have. Maybe we would have just traded sideways and started to consolidate without a big capitulation downside. Maybe it would have only been a 10% or 20% drawdown instead of a 50% drawdown. It's something interesting to think about. But I just want you guys to think about maybe we don't get that drawdown. Maybe we don't. Maybe this Bitcoin spot ETF, it's a green light and we start to make really big moves. We get a breakout above this $45,000 price level. I do think, though, I know this is a psychological thing to think about in trading, which in my opinion, I think about 90% of trading is psychological to be a profitable trader over a long period of time. But it does seem a little too easy. It does seem a little too easy if Bitcoin were to just break out on this Bitcoin spot ETF news that it's going to get approved and we'll see a breakout. That does seem a little bit too easy, but then again, maybe that's disbelief talking. So I still have to think about that a little bit more thoroughly. I have taken profits on my meme coin positions. I still have some of my moon bags for bonk. Like I still have a position to, just in case if it 10 or 50x's in the bull run. I won't sell any of that until we get into after the halving, the true bull market. But yeah, maybe it's disbelief talking, but I am taking a little bit of profits, ready for a drawdown to re-enter into some more stable plays, maybe into some Ethereum or Bitcoin or some other altcoins that I haven't quite run yet, aka CRO. I want to take a look at CRO because CRO, it's definitely made some moves to the upside, but I mean, it is not 20x'd or anything like that. We did get a 2x off of 5 cents. We're trading above 10 cents now, which is a very important level. Trading above this blue line right here at about 10 cents. I really like to see us stay above that, but Crowcoin loves testing this line. I mean, we've been trading on this line for a significant amount of time, flipping it to support, flipping it to resistance over and over again, but right now it is support. Let's see that bounce off of it. Let's break above this double high right here, this double peak. I would really like to see that happen. But it probably will happen as long as Bitcoin decides to stay above $42,000, which we are very close to being below it. It's still bullish. It's still bullish. Even if we do come down, guys, and we don't break below, I do think that if we do come down, 37,000 is an appropriate level to be looking at. And if that does happen, maybe we'll see Crowcoin come down a little bit. But all in all, guys, time is on our side here. There's a pump around this corner. The Bitcoin halving it's in April, guys. It's only a few months away. And after the Bitcoin halving, when you zoom out and you look at the 4-year cycles, we should have a very, very nice bull market hype cycle. But, guys, if you like this type of content, please like this video. Subscribe to the channel right now. Also, go follow me on Twitter at 333Blacksea. I just talked about how I sold the majority of my bonk. I netted over 1,000 Solana profit. Very exciting stuff. But I still have my position in there because, guys, it's good to take profits, but when you know where you are at in the cycle, we still have lots of upside. We still have a true bull market on its way. The question is, does it come in 3 months or 6 months? Time will tell. But, yeah, please go follow me on Twitter, 333Blacksea. Check out some awesome referral links we have below. In this video, we have a $4,100 sign-up bonus to Femex, $8,000 sign-up bonus to BitGet. Some awesome free money to take advantage of. But that's all I got for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.